Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to make some aloo pakores, also known as crispy fried potatoes. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So I've got 3 peeled potatoes, I've got table salt, I've got chili powder, I've got turmeric ground, and I've got Besan. This is also referred to as gram flour. So yes guys, this recipe is going to be a very simple recipe to follow and a very delicious recipe to have. I'm going to have to thinly slice the potatoes. Bismillah. Okay guys, now that the potatoes have been sliced like this nicely, now we need to make the mixture to coat the potatoes in. Now we're going to make the mixture. I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of gram flour. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add in some chili powder. Now I'm going to add in some turmeric ground. And lastly some table salt. Now guys, we need to add in some water and mix it until it becomes like a paste. Okay guys, the water wasn't enough, so I'm going to add in a bit more water and mix it until it becomes a paste. Okay guys, now that the paste is ready, we need to add in the potatoes so they are well coated. So add in a few. We will do with them. Now just use the paste and apply it to the top of the potato and spread it well so it covers the potato completely, and do the same with the rest of them. Now that the potatoes have been well coated in the paste, I'm going to add it in now into the oil so it fries. I'm going to add in the second one. Add it in. And then add in number 3. Ensure that the coating is ensure the potato is well coated before adding it in. Yeah, and just continue that process each time until all potatoes have been added into the frying pan. And there you have it guys, crispy fried potatoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on my channel logo to the top left.